Exchange as an event has always been very, very good. I've always thoroughly enjoyed them.
There's so much value that comes from Exchange.
We always look forward to Exchange. It is, as they said, the premier event on the African continent.
ISCubed Exchange 2025, we are discussing the most amazing technologies that ISCubed brings in together with their partner Aviva. And we are talking about transformation. We're talking about taking automation to the next level. The power of automation, how they are transforming businesses. This is where it's happening. Drive the future. Lead the now. ISCubed Exchange 2025. Good afternoon, everybody.
Viva brings a whole lot of very interesting and cutting-edge technology to the table.
We're so excited to see what the Viva product is growing into.
I'm more excited around the digital transformation technologies that are being showcased by other fellow exhibitors and ISCubed as well.
The people that are actually coming here have got challenges real challenges that requires solving.
And that's what makes this event very important, to make sure, all right, am I taking my customers down the correct road? Our motto at the end of the day is providing solutions safe and secure.
Hosting Exchange in Cape Town has been an absolute treat.
Who doesn't love Cape Town, right?
It's the perfect location for technology. They work hand in hand.
Maybe just because of distance and where it was held in previous occasions, but it's good to see some new faces and build up some new relationship with new customers.
Great people, great food, great entertainment.
That golden thread of excellence has definitely pulled through to this event again.
And I really think that it's going to be a tough task to make it any better than it has been.
Our most important objective, again, was to give our partners, our OEMs, our customers, our entire community, exhibitors, a voice. That's what Exchange is all about.
Partner of the year goes to
Control Systems Integration.
And the winner is Skill Systems.
Aviva Select, West Africa. That company is Discovery Green.
The winner is Paul Kotza. The winner is Integ.
When people have a voice and they have the tool, they feel respected, admired, they feel they have a sense of dignity, but most importantly, they feel connected. And this is what Exchange is all about, building that connected industrial ecosystem and to feel part of something really massive. That's how we can turn things around.